Hello, good morning. Let us talk about one important topic for NEET exam, that is ART assisted reproductive technology. In vitro fertilization, fusion of gametes outside the body. Here, fusion of gamete takes place outside the body. Here, fusion of gametes inside the body. Here, these are two: artificial insemination, another one gamete intrafallopian transfer. Artificial insemination, sperm is injected into the vagina or uterus. Here, ovum, okay, sperm is injected into the vagina or uterus. Okay, here ovum from the donor is injected into the fallopian tube and female, and with a defect in the ovary. It is generally followed in a female whose ovaries are not working properly. Therefore, ovum is taken from the donor and is injected into the fallopian. That's what is called FT, fallopian tube. Gamete means here ovum. Artificial insemination, sperm is injected into the vagina or uterus. Come to the other one, in vitro fertilization. Fusion of gamete takes place outside the body. IVF test tube baby. Look, in vitro fertilization, fusion of gametes in the lab. Here, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. And in vitro fertilization, division of zygote of embryo in the lab by passing electric charge. Okay, division of zygote, okay, by in the lab by passing electric charge. Zygote is a unicellular embryo. Okay, zygote is a unicellular embryo. Next one, embryo transfer. Okay, GIFT, ZIFT. Here now the zygote, okay, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Okay, intrauterine transfer. The 8-celled embryo is transferred into the fallopian tube. 8-celled embryo is transferred into the fallopian tube. Here, 32-celled embryo is transferred into the uterus. In the intrauterine transfer, intrauterine into the uterus, it is into the fallopian tube. It is the 8-cell stage. This is the 32-cell stage. Okay, that's about ART. ART, assisted reproductive technology, in vitro, in vivo, fusion of gametes inside the body here, outside the body here, artificial insemination, gamete intrafallopian transfer, sperm is injected into the vagina or uterus, and ovum from the donor is injected into the fallopian tube. Female has a defect in the ovary. And in vitro fertilization, ICS, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. And here in vitro development division of the zygote in the laboratory by passing electric charge. Okay, embryo transfer, okay, GIFT. Okay, zygote intrafallopian transfer, intrauterine transfer. 32 celled embryo is transferred into the uterus. Here 8-celled embryo is transferred into the fallopian tube.